Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, we're going to see how to validate the disk quota set on different users. For example, assume that I have a user called Alice, and then on her home directory, I'm going to use the hard quota for 2 megabytes. And then for Bob, I'm going to set it to 2 megabytes, but subquota. Okay, so again, to prove the concept, I just set up the two quota paths on their home directory. And then one will be for Alice, one will be for Bob, and then it's encouraged that you use the template. Okay, but again, to keep things simple, I just directly set their quota on their home directory. Okay, and then let me show you the their profile location. Okay, so let me go to the tools, and then active directory users and computers. And then let me go to users. This will be for Alice. And then you can see from her profile tab, this will be her login directory. So I have created a directory called students before the Alice. So that when I need to pick up all the users data for students, it will be easier. Okay, and then make sure that again you set up the same setting for, let's say, Bob as well. Okay, so again this will be Bob's login location. Okay, and then the drive later on the client machine will be called a Z. Okay. All right. Okay. And then now I can close this one. Okay. And then this is the path. Okay. C drive. Okay. And then students. Okay. And then inside, I put Alice home directory and Bob's home directory over there. Okay. Then there are no data in there right now. Okay. And make sure that, again, when you set up this students directory, make sure that you set the share. Okay. Otherwise, it might not work. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's check it out. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay. So here will be my Windows 7 machine. Okay. All right, and then you can see that right now the login name is Bob, but then we are going to try Alice first. Okay, so let me log it off. Okay, log off, and then log in with Alice account. Okay, or credential. Okay, so let me see Alice. Okay, there you go. The password. Okay, you set whatever password you like. Okay. Log in, and then go to the File Explorer, click Computer. Okay, there you go. So you see that the path we set up for Alice in her profile tab is Z drive. And then I can navigate into it. As of now, no files are there. Then let me use the Window E to open another File Explorer. And remember that for Windows 7, under the pictures directory, it has some sample pictures, and then you can see that of the sizes over here, if I pick 4 of them, and then it will be over 2 megabytes, for sure, right? So let me switch back to Alice account. Let me put a paste. Okay, so it complained that, hey, I mean, Alice total size allowed is only 2 megabytes, but then you want to put more than that. Okay, so again, I copy 4 files. Okay, so it only allow me to set up to paste 2 files which if you check the size, okay, it will be less than 2 megabytes, okay, so which is correct. And then again, I can create okay, some directories, okay, no problem. And then now if we switch back to the server side, okay, where Alice home folder is, okay, and if we navigate into it, okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see that okay, all the files okay, are there. And if we again okay, delete everything here, okay, then we can see that okay, all the files will be gone okay, over the server side as well. Okay, so this shows the hard coder, okay, hard coder okay, for Alice. Okay, and then how about Bob? Okay, so now let's check the Bob's okay, coder setting. Okay, so let me log off. Okay, so log off Alice. Okay. And then log in okay, with Bob's credential. Okay, so switch user, okay, other user, okay, Bob, the password, okay, and then log in, okay. And then now, okay, again, okay, use the file explorer. Okay, so this is Bob's okay, network drive, okay, directory, and then okay, let me navigate into it. And then again, I'm going to use the Windows E, okay, combination key to open another file explorer. Okay, go to pictures, go to sample pictures. Let me copy okay, same okay, 4 files. Okay. And then if, again, okay, if we check the list, okay, then you can see, oh sorry, details, my bad. Then you can see that if you add it up, okay, it's definitely more than 4 okay, megabytes, okay, 2 megabytes, my bad. Let me copy it, okay, switch back here, paste, okay. And then you can see that it allow me okay, to store files more than 2 megabytes, okay. And then I can also create another folder if I want to, okay. Why? Because we use the subfolder, okay, on Bob's scale home directory, okay. And then if we get, go to Bob's directory, check on it, there you go. Okay, so all the files are there. All right, so again, okay, this is just a proof of concept, okay? So in reality, I mean, you are not going to set users, okay, hard drive okay, coda to just 2 megabytes. I mean, 2 megabytes, you really cannot do anything about it, okay? So, okay, I hope that this will be useful to you. Okay, let me stop the video.